The MAXROW expression is in the category Other and has a result of a ref data type. The purpose of this expression is to return the row with the greatest value in a column. The MAXROW expression has up to 3 parameters. The first is the name of the table or slice, and the second is the name of the column you want to search through. The name of the column must be inside of the data set and must be a value type that can be compared greater than, less than, like a number data type. Finally, we have an optional parameter. This parameter isn't required, but if you include it, you can choose to include an expression that will evaluate if a row should be considered or not. The result is the key value of the row that has the greatest value in the specified column. Let's look at an example. Here we see the MAXROW expression. First, we have the work order table, and it's important to note that this is in quotes. Next, we have month, which is a column in the work order table. This is a number value and can be compared to find a max value. Again, this is in quotation marks. Finally, we're doing a comparison. We only want to find the greatest value for the month if the work order total for that row is greater than 10. So even if there is a month that is greater, if the work order total is less than 10 or equal to 10, it won't be considered. I hope that this was helpful. If you would like to learn more, we invite you to check out appsheettraining.com.